Welcome to AsyncCode. Hello, and thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. A prime number is a number greater than one that has only two factors, 1 and itself. In other words, a prime number can only be divided evenly by 1 and the number itself. What is the nth prime? The nth prime refers to the prime number that holds a specific position in the list of all prime numbers. For example, the first prime number is 2. The second prime number is 3. The third prime number is 5. The fourth prime number is 7. The fifth prime number is 11, and so on. Function to check if a number is prime. A prime number is a number greater than one that is divisible only by 1 and itself. Check if the number is less than or equal to 1, because primes are always greater than 1. If the number is less than or equal to 1, it cannot be prime. Return false if the number is not prime. Loop through all numbers from 2 to the square root of the number to check divisibility. This is because if number is divisible by any number greater than its square root, the smaller divisor would have already been found. This reduces the number of checks needed. Check if the number is divisible by I. If a divisor is found, the number is not prime, so return false. The number is not prime if it's divisible by any other number. If no divisors were found, the number is prime, so return true. This means the number is prime if it passed all divisibility checks. Function to find the nth prime number. N is the index of the prime number we want to find. For example, if n equals 6, we want the 6th prime. Variable count tracks how many primes have been found so far. Number is the current candidate for checking if it is prime. Start with 2, the first prime. This loop continues until we find the nth prime number. The loop runs until the count reaches n, meaning we have found the nth prime. Call the is_prime function to check if the current number is prime. If the number is prime, Increment the count, because we found another prime. Move to the next number to check whether it is prime. After finding the nth prime, number will be 1 greater than the nth prime, so we subtract 1 to return the correct prime. Return the nth prime. Example usage of the nth_prime function. The variable n represents the index of the prime number we want to find. Print the nth prime by calling the nth_prime function. Now run our code. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this one.